Shopify Checkout Page Customization. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your Shopify checkout page and make it go from this to a more interesting and more branded page. So there are quite a few different ways that we can do this, and this includes different applications as well as Shopify itself. So let's jump right in and take a look at our store customizations. So to do this, the first step that we are going to take is to go into our online store editor. So click on online store on the left, and once you click on online store, you're going to click on customize. Once you click on customize over here, on the top, you will find your home page. So click on home page, and then once you click on home page, you will have your checkout pages. So you can click on checkout over here, and once you click on your checkout, this will display your checkout page. So this is a very standard checkout page. It's really not that interesting. So it's time to make our checkout page a bit more interesting. The first thing you are going to do is add a logo image for your business. Whatever logo image you want to use, you can upload that over here. Once you've done that, you can also choose the size you want your logo image to be. Then you also can choose the alignment and then the logo position. So if you want it to be on your checkout form like this, if you want it to be only on the order summary side, or if you want a full width header style logo. Below that, you have your background. So this will be on the left side of your checkout page. I really recommend that if you have two very distinctive brand colors, you use those colors over here. So if I add a pink color, I can do that, or if I want, I can add a image as a background as well. Images can look a bit too busy sometimes, so having a simple color usually does suffice. Then you have background 2, which will be on the right side, and make sure these colors are not too distracting to make the professional feel of your website to stay intact. I'll use a really pale blue over here on the right side. Now, once I've done that, we have our accent colors, our button colors, and our error colors. You can also choose to make your form fields transparent or white. That is up to you. I like to keep them white because I like them to be highly visible, but if you want, you can also make them transparent. Then you have your typography. So in your typography, you will see different types of fonts that you can pick out from, and this can be a great way to just add a little bit of a spark into your checkout page. You can scroll around and find different types of fonts that are available for your particular devices. So I am going to be using something a bit, interesting like this one. I think I'm gonna go with something like that's pretty bold, but still has a really commercial element to it or a professional element to it. I think I like this one. It's super simple and straightforward, but it still looks a bit stylized. And then you can also customize the font of the body text. The body text includes all of the details other than the headings. Now, one thing to note is that for the body text, you don't want to make it too outlandish, because if your body text looks too outlandish, people are gonna feel like your website is a scam. Even though it's just font combos that you're using, it can make your website seem a bit off. Simple or a really lightly styled font like this one. Now below that, you have your checkout page layout. So if you want this to be one page where it's shorter, faster, or a 3-page checkout. So in a 3-page checkout, first you have your info there, the customer info, then the shipping info, and then the payment info. I don't recommend this form of layout. It just doesn't, convert well with customers. But if you want, you can choose that as well. I'm going to proceed with a 1-page checkout and now click on save. Once you click on save, you can go back and exit into your store. And if we view our online store right now and go into the checkout of our online store, so I'll go into buy it now for this product, you will see this is what our checkout looks like. It looks super nice. It has a lot of branding elements, but it still looks pretty neat and clean and looks like a reliable website. Now, these are just some of the customizations you can make to your checkout page. To make further customizations, click on settings on the bottom left, and once you click on settings, you're going to click on apps and sales channels. Once you do that, you're going to click on Shopify App Store. And once you open up your Shopify App Store, we are going to be taking a look at some of the checkout page customization apps. So you're going to search for checkout page, and there are a few different types of customizations you can do. Things such as a bundle add-on. So you can always, after someone has reached the checkout page, you can offer them something like a upsell or a shipping discount that can help in making customers more converting, because a lot of times you will find a lot of abandoned carts ending up at checkout. Then you also have Checkout Buddy, where you can customize with, upsells, blocks, discounts. Another really amazing checkout page integration you will find is a checkout page badge integrator. So this allows you to add different reliability badges or verifications that a lot of people do like. So I am going to be using the Quickify Checkout Customizer. This is a free tool available. They have paid plans as well, but it's a pretty nice tool. And I'm just going to click on install over here. Once I click on install on this particular application, we will be led again to the installation page. Now, once we're in the installation page, we're going to click on install over here. And once we click on install, we will be led to the actual applications, which we're going to pin to the left panel. Once you have pinned this application, you will see the different features that you can access with the free plan with their customization. So click on the Quickify Checkout Plus and click on customizations. Now you can click on customize payment methods, and you can add different types of payment methods. And if you want, you can also customize shipping rates that you're offering. You can also go on ahead and take a look at some of the other upsells that they are offering. So you can click on go to customizations and start adding your own customization. So I am going to add action, and I'm going to rename my method. So the name contains, and let's say instead of it saying Klarna, I maybe wanted to display buy now, pay later. So you really have your own personal preferences on how you want to customize checkout pages on Shopify. Now, there are quite a few different ways to do this. You definitely should add trust badges. If you don't know how to do that, simply go back into your app store, and you're going to search for checkout page trust badges. And a lot of the trust badges application include checkout page trust badges as well. You will see this tool called Essentials Trust Badges and Trust Badges Bear. Both are amazing to use. I have used them in the past as well, and you can integrate those into checkout as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.